ஸோ ஹாய். இப்போ வந்து நம்ம வந்து லிப்ராக்கு வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் 15 days ஃப்ரம் மார்ச் 15 to மார்ச் 30க்கான ப்ரெடிக்ஷன்ஸ் ஹவ் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு see அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா, I'm going to look out for the past, recent past, present and the immediate future with a challenge and with the best advice and with the oracle message. Okay, very important message. It may or may not resonate with everyone because இப்போ நான் ஸ்கார்பியோ இல்லைனா நான் வந்து ஒரு வேறு ஒரு இதுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், என்னோட சுச்சுவேஷன் வேறு மாதிரி இருக்கும். நான் ஒரு 19 years ஓல்டாக இருப்பேன். பார்க்குறவங்க வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா 30 years ஓல்டாக இருப்பீங்க, 40 years ஓல்டாக இருப்பீங்க. ஸோ எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி ரெசோனேட் ஆகாது. ஸோ திஸ் வில் ரீச் டு த பீப்புள், பர்டிகுலர் பீப்புள் whoever wants to see, desperate, whoever looking for the answer, whoever looking for the solution, whoever looking for some guidance, it will reach to the proper people. ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷன் இருக்காது. டேக் வாட் ரெசோனேட்ஸ் வித் யூ. உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரெசோனேட் ஆகுதோ அதை வந்து எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மெசேஜ் ஐ வாண்ட் கன்வே. பிகாஸ் நீங்கள் மற்றதுலேயே வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாமே வந்து ரெசோனேட் ஆகுது. ஸோ இஃப் டுடே ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு பி ரிச் அப்படின்னு எனக்கு இன்றைக்கி ராசி மலரில் போட்டிருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்கன்னா, ஐ ஆம் நாட் கோயிங் டு பி அம்பானி இன் ஓவர் நைட். ஒரு 100 ரூபாய் வர இடத்துல எனக்கு ஒரு 200 ரூபாய் வரலாம், அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்காக நான் வந்து சொல்கிறேன், மே ஆர் மே நாட் ரெசனேட் வித் இன்னொன்று. பிகாஸ் 20 இயர்ஸில் இருப்பீங்க, 30 இயர்ஸில் இருப்பீங்க, 40 இயர்ஸில் இருப்பீங்க, 50 இயர்ஸில் கூட இருப்பீங்க. எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரே மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷன் இருக்காது, எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்காது. ஸோ நான் என்ன ஹெட்டிங் வச்சு சொல்கிறேன்னா, ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங் அண்ட் ஃபார் தி லவ் மெசேஜஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் வந்து ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் டூயிங் இட். ஸோ டேக் வாட் இட் ரெசனேட்ஸ் வித் யூ. ஸோ வில் கெட் டீப் இன் டு இட். ஃபார் த பீப்புள் ஆஃப் லிப்ரா, மார்ச் 15லேருந்து மார்ச் 30 வரைக்கும் general message. Okay, what is the past energy and the present energy and the future energy for the people of Libra? Show me the cards please, from March 15 to March 30. Show me the cards. What is the past, present and the immediate future for the people of Libra? What is the present energy? What is the immediate future energy for the people of Libra? What is the immediate future energy? What are the challenges? What are the challenges? What are the challenges for the people of Libra? Okay, for the people of Libra, your past is okay. Your past is King of Swords, Tower, Tree of Pentacles. What is your challenges? Challenge is going to be some communication, some traveling. So whoever is looking for some communication, இந்த இடத்துலேருந்து இந்த எனக்கு ஒரு கம்யூனிகேஷன் தேவைப்படுது, எனக்கு ஒரு ப்ராப்பராக வந்துட்டு ஒரு 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 ஆன்சர் வர மாட்டேங்குது ஃப்ரம் த பர்டிகுலர் ஃபர்ம் ஆர் ஃப்ரம் த பர்டிகுலர் பர்சன் ஆர் ஃப்ரம் த பர்டிகுலர் place. I'm not getting proper communication. Yes, there is going to be still delay. That is going to be the challenge for the next 15 days. Delay ஆகிட்டே வந்து போகுது. That is going to be your challenge for the next 15 days, guys. Okay, that is going to be take a toll on you. And the same time, whoever is looking for to fly, for travel or something like that, yes, that is going to take a little bit delay. அதுவும் கொஞ்சம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் வந்து நடக்க போகுது. That is going to be a bit challenge. Okay, போயிடுவேன் நான் போக மாட்டேன் அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது. The proper communication is going to take a toll on you at the same time. Okay, what is the past energy? Recent past வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா King of Swords, the Tower and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, the sudden change has recently happened in your life. Okay, that sudden changes, I think by seeking the truth or by seeking the clarity or by seeking something else. A sudden change has happened in your life. That is what ரீசண்டாக வந்து அந்த ஒரு a sudden change has happened. It has totally been collapsed. அந்த மாதிரி கூட வந்து சொல்லலாம். Regarding to that, recently you are trying to work on the change which has happened in your past. You are trying to work on that in your energy. 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords and the 8 of Cups. You are trying to work out. At the same time you are under a lot of pain. You are not showing out, but I could see a lot of pain. You want to go away from that pain. You want to turn away from that pain. You want to go off. Somebody has left the relationship. For some people, for somebody has left the relationship. I could sense that. For some of the people, I could sense you don't like the job. You want to go away. For some of the people, when it comes to relationship, you are under a lot of pain. You want to move away. For some people, in the recent future, King of Cups, Page of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. Even though somebody is going to offering you something in the near future, you are not taking any actions regarding on that. Should I take அந்த மாதிரி? Should I take that actions on it? I don't want to take action on it because I have gone through a lot of shit in the future. I am terribly so hesitated to take action on it in the near future. Near future அப்படி தான் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா இருக்குது. What you don't see coming at the bottom of the deck வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா devil, Judgment, Chariot, Devil in reverse. Some rebirth is going to happen. Judgment. Nobody is going to realize anything very soon. Chariot. Nothing is going to move forward because Chariot is here. Hanged Man in upright position. Nothing is taking place. Nothing is moving. Nobody is taking actions. Nobody is giving you a damn. Nobody is giving you a damn attention. I could sense here. Let's see. 8 of Wands. Why is the 8 of Wands is here? What is the challenge? Please clarify. Why is the 8 of Wands is here? 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 As a challenge. Communication, as I told you, right? For some of the people, you want to take a new path. அதுவே வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய சேலஞ்சாக இருக்குது. நியூ அட்வென்ச்சர் ஆர் சம்திங் லைக் தட். நியூ ட்ராவல், as I told you, right? Challenge is going to be take a toll on you. See, I could see here some traveling problems வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா வந்து இருக்க போகுது. I have booked tickets, I have taken this, blah 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 blah, but still that is going to take a big challenge for you for the next 15 days. வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா it's going to be the very big challenge for you guys. I want to move into this direction, but seriously I don't know. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது it's taking a toll on your peace. It's not giving you the time to get healed. It's not giving the time to get have a clear mindset. That is going to be the big challenge for you. Okay, Libra. Let's see why is the Tower is here in the recent past. Recent pastல என்ன நடந்தது அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்க்கலாம். A sudden change has happened in the recent past. That is what affecting you in the current energy. Lot of pain I could sense. I want to move away. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு sense என்னால் இங்கே வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. Why is the Tower is here? Show me the cards, please. Clarify the card. Clarify by 3 cards. Why is the Tower is here? I've asked one of my sister to give the feedback to subscribe to my channel, and I have got feedback like, your sister is not at all laughing, நிறைய சிரிக்க சொல்ல அப்பதான் நிறைய பசங்க பார்ப்பாங்க. See, have not opened the YouTube பசங்க பார்க்கணுன்றது. This is for everyone. From my side, I want to give general reading for the people. It's not about laughing. It's about I'm just concentrating on the cards to give you the accurate answer. As I told you, right, you want to start up something regarding the love or something like that. There is a lot and lot of illusion, lot and lot of anxiety in the recent past. There is no proper clarity or proper truth you have not got in the recent past. Okay, there is no proper a sudden change which happened in your love life, something like that. When you worked, when you guys trying to work on things, that is what I could see. For most of the people, you could be dealing with Scorpio or someone like that. Scorpio என்னால் இங்கே வந்து நிறைய பார்க்க முடியுது. Why is the Three of Pentacles is here? Why is the Three of Pentacles is here? Why is the Three of Pentacles is here? Why is the Three of Pentacles is here in the recent past? Three of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Justice. That is not a fair game. That you have not. There is no fairness. There is no proper justice in your relationship, or there is no proper justice or political problems in your office. Something like that for some of the people. But there is. At the same time, you are gaining victory. At the same time, for office people, at the same time, you are gaining victory, something like that. But as sudden, for most of the people, this sudden change has have given you a lot and lot of victory, lot and lot of money when it comes to finance or something like that. But in the current energy, you are giving your best to work out more, to gain more fame in your office, or to get more work on your relationship. But recently you just don't want to do it. You want to go away. You want to move away from this relationship. For most of the people, you want to move away from the office because you're not getting the reward whatever you want to gain. Whatever you want to gain, you're not getting that. In the present current energy for Libra, you want to move away. You want to go somewhere which gives you peace, which for some of the people you want to get into the spirituality, spiritual journey. I could sense here. Let's see why is the Three of Swords is here in the recent current energy. How is their current energy? Why is the Three of Swords is here in the current energy for the Libra people? Again, I am telling you, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody. எல்லாருக்கும் பொருந்தும்னு தான் சொல்ல முடியாது. Take what resonates with you. Yes. Why in the sense, for some of the people, your relationship வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா breakup, I could see. For few people, I could see the breakup, or for some of the people, I could sense a temporary breakup, something like that. People have, most of the people, some breakup. The person has moved away. I could sense that. when it comes to work, பாதி பேருக்கு வேலை இல்லை. You want to move away from this, you don't want this anymore. Because you need healing, you need your time for yourself. A good sense. Why is the King of Cups is here in the recent future? Why is the King of Cups is here in the recent future? Why is the King of Cups is here in the recent future? Why is the King of Cups is here in the recent future? You're going to come into the realization like you have been in the toxic relationship so far. When it comes to challenge, you cannot communicate, you cannot move your relationship for some of the people. Because why is that? A sudden change has happened in the recent past, which for most of the people you have not got the justice what you want in the relationship. So in the current energy you're suffering a lot, you're going through a lot of pain, and you want to move away from this situation, from this energy right now. And in the recent future you're going to realize, okay, I was in a toxic relationship, I feel okay right now. You're going, for some of the people, you're going to realize you're in the toxic relationship and you're not going to take any kind of actions. Okay, போதும், நான் விட்டுறேன், எனக்கு வேண்டாம், என்னால் முடியலை. Why is the Page of Pentacles is here? Because that is what going to happen. Why is the Page of Pentacles? Page of Pentacles. Why is the Page of Pentacles is here? அப்படியே ஸ்டாப் ஆகிடுது. You're going to stop whatever you're going through, you're going to stop. Okay, let it happen on its own. I don't want to take any actions here. I'm not going to take any kind of think over here. But you're going to realize it very, very soon. Because temptation, lust, devil card is in reverse, rebirth, 3 of Cups, 8 of Wands, and the 2 of Swords. Enough. That is enough. Whatever it is happening, that's more than enough. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to take any kind of actions on this. It's enough. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு situation. Let me heal. I could sense third party situation here for some of the people. மூணாவது மனுஷங்களோட third party situation என்னால் இங்கே நிறையா சென்ஸ் பண்ண முடியுது. What's the advice for the people of Libra? Wow. Advice for you is, there is going to be a lot of new beginning. Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, regarding your regarding your work or regarding your relationship, regarding or something like that. Every new beginning is going to happen. Please don't rush into it. Don't show any kind of tricks into your relationship or something like that. If that's so, that is going to be, for some of the people, you're going to gain new love into your life, because you have experienced a lot of pain in the recent past and also in the current future. Toxic relationship, toxicity here. You're going to gain a new love very, very soon. For some of the people, you're going to get a new job, new passion. You're going to see the new direction in your life. Okay. What's the message for the people of Libra for the next 15 days? Message for the people of Libra. Message for the people of Libra. Choose your path. Protection guardian. Drop your shields. Okay. Bask in joy and the light. Choose your path. If anybody is looking for a message, yes, choose your path. You have to choose your path, because new beginning is going to happen. Choose a new path. Don't be in the old path. That is what the advice I have got for you, for the people of Libra. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. Spread only love.